In this video you will learn how to sell covered calls on Questrade for beginners. Own the underlying stock. You must own at least 100 shares of the stock you want to sell a call option on. Log into Questrade, open your Questrade account, then navigate to the trading tab. Go to the options tab, click the stock symbol and enter option tab to view the available contracts. Choose a call option, pick a strike price and expire date that fits your strategy, usually highly above your current stock price. Sell to open the call option. Sell to open, enter the number of contracts, one contract equals 100 shares, then place your order. Monitor and manage your position. Track the stock's and option price until it expires. Be prepared to let it expire or buy back early if you need to. Now you know how to sell covered calls on Questrade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.